Country with 7,107 islands, occupied with the billions of patient, hardworking, friendly, religious, and hospitable people. They are the Filipinos. If you are a Filipino, ask yourself, are you truly proud of being a Filipino or just forcing yourself? I am a Filipino, in words and deeds, also in blood that runs in my vein, with a brown tan skin, black color eye, and a medium built body. I am a Filipino that lives in the Pearl of the Orient, country with a thousand of heroes. Philippine, my one and only Philippines, where I was a young, proud Filipino was born patient. Stargazing at night, you will see the shining, proud pearl of the East, a pearl that was colonized, has suffered, and have looked down. But it has built a stronger and proud Filipino people. If you will ask me if I am proud of being a Filipino, yes, I am really proud of being a Filipino. Even there are many negative thoughts being a Filipino, but on the other side, there are many positive you will look for. Just always remember this. Being a Filipino is not your choice. It is your destiny. A destiny that you should be proud of. There are many things that we Filipinos should be proud. You know Dr. Serzal? Yeah, he is in the 1 peso coin. He is one of the famous Philippine heroes that we should be proud of. But also to the people who sacrificed their life just to serve our country. So now, are we Filipinos worth dying for? I would come to the conclusion that we Filipinos are worth dying for. Because he's the greatest untapped resources. He died for me, died for you, and died for all of us. Their death means nothing if we will go into waste it. Filipinos, because the Filipinos are worth dying for. Being a Filipino is not your choice. It is your destiny. A destiny that you should be proud of.